Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's important for many of us, joint health. If you've been struggling with joint pain or stiffness, stick around because we have an exciting product to talk about. Prosper Wellness Joint Restore Gummies. These gummies promise to not only ease pain, but also help restore healthy joint tissue.
Let's get into it!
Joint Restore Gummies are packed with two powerhouse ingredients, Boswellia Serrata extract and CBD, or cannabidiol. These gummies are specifically formulated to target joint pain and inflammation. But what makes these ingredients so special? Let's break it down. First up, Boswellia Serrata. This herbal extract has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, particularly for its anti-inflammatory properties. What's fascinating is that studies have shown Boswellia can actually help rebuild cartilage in your joints. That's right. It doesn't just mask the pain, it helps heal the joint. By calming painful and damaging inflammation, your body can finally start to repair the joint instead of staying stuck in the chronic inflammation cycle. There are even double-blind placebo studies that back this up. Participants who took Boswellia showed significantly healthier joints on X-rays after just a few weeks. That's pretty impressive. Now let's talk about CBD. Each dose of Joint Restore Gummies contains 22 mg of CBD. Known for its pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory effects, CBD can help reduce joint pain and stiffness. Several studies have explored CBD's benefits for joint health, and it's becoming a popular natural remedy for pain management. Together, Boswellia and CBD provide a double-action approach to joint pain relief and cartilage restoration. And the best part? These gummies are GMO, gluten, soy, dairy, nut, hormone, and pesticide-free. So they're suitable for almost everyone. And did I mention the taste? These gummies come in a delicious strawberry flavor, making it feel more like a treat than a supplement. Seriously, they taste great! Don't just take my word for it. Hundreds of happy customers have left glowing reviews, sharing their success stories and how Joint Restore Gummies have helped them regain their mobility and reduce pain. You can get more info by visiting the official website linked in the description. And a quick tip. Don't buy from Amazon or eBay because those are often fake. Stick to the official site for the real deal. So, if you've been dealing with chronic joint pain and are looking for a natural solution, Prosper Wellness Joint Restore Gummies might be just what you need. With the powerful combination of Boswellia and CBD, you could start feeling relief and support for your joints in no time. To try Joint Restore Gummies for yourself, visit the link in the description below. And because you're watching this video, we have a special offer just for you. Check out the description for more details. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you next time!